Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make churros at home without butter. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Also, have 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Don't forget vegetable oil for frying and a delicious cinnamon sugar mixture for coating your finished churros. Once your water, sugar, and salt mixture is boiling, remove it from the heat immediately. Quickly add the flour and vanilla extract, stirring vigorously until a smooth dough ball forms. This step is crucial for the churros' texture. Next, transfer the warm dough into a piping bag. Make sure your piping bag has a star-shaped nozzle for that classic churro ridge. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6 inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil, using scissors to cut them. Fry the churros for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are cooked through. As soon as your churros come out of the oil, while they are still hot, immediately roll them generously in your cinnamon sugar mixture. This ensures the sugar sticks perfectly. Serve these delightful homemade churros warm, perhaps with a side of chocolate dipping sauce for an extra treat. They are truly irresistible. Before we go, remember to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.